is Greg from Massa Organics. We are sitting on a 1982 John Deere 8820 harvester. We're about to harvest our wheat crop, which you can see stretched out in front of us here. Thought I'd show you a little bit about how harvest works around here. This is a really old harvester. In rice, we lease a much newer machine because we have a lot more rice to harvest. But you know, that's only here during rice harvest in the fall. So we keep this old one around to do smaller projects like this. So I thought I'd show you this. Looking around, there's what the controls look like. New harvesters cost in the neighborhood of $300,000. So you know, a machine that's paid for is a good thing. Look around the farm a little bit. Back over there is, sorry for the dirty windows, that's our organic rice crop back there, looking nice. Over that way is our house, but it's between those trees, behind the set of trailers. Alright, so here we go. We're going to put the machine in gear by pushing this lever forwards. I'm going to try to do this while I'm filming while I'm driving, so it might be a little shaky. Let's rev it up, speed things up here. It's also very loud. The spot we're in right now is a low spot in the field, so the wheat isn't that good right here because it got too wet during the winter. You'll see in other parts of the field the wheat is much thicker, the plants are closer together and much taller. But this just got a little waterlogged. That happens on our heavy soils. Right, this is actually a rice field that we're growing wheat in as a rotation crop. And rice has very heavy soil, it holds water really well. So it's not great for things like wheat and corn, but you know, you do what you can. So what's happening here is the plants are being cut off, dragged up into the harvester. This thing that looks like a turning screw right there is bringing the wheat into the center of the machine. And from there it goes up inside the harvester, where it basically gets all beat up. So that the grain is separated from the straw, and eventually it ends up in our grain tank back there. And there you can see the threshed grain coming out of that auger tube, and there's the growing pile of grain. The straw, which we've left in a row here, instead of spreading the straw out, we've left it in a row. And what we're going to do is probably bale it and sell it to a company that grows mushrooms. And they grow them on wheat straw. We also may take some of it and use it as mulch in our organic almond orchard to help control weeds. So that's wheat harvest. Hopefully it'll be done today. And pretty soon we hope to have wheat available. We're going to sell it to local bakeries and also at the farmers market. So hopefully soon you'll be able to try our wheat.